Every year, companies lose hundreds of billions of dollars for not being able to meet expectation of complaining customers. According to CCMC, which is Customer Care Measurement and Consulting, which is a nodal agency that specializes in doing studies in complaint handling and customer experience, they found out that in 2023 alone, there was an estimated loss of revenues of a whooping $900 billion in the United States alone because of customer complaints, or what is often called as service failure situations. Now, salespeople are typically the key employees at the receiving end of these complaining customers. And research has shown that such employees are most adversely impacted by the stress and anxiety that is caused during these service failure or should I say crisis situations. Past researchers have repeatedly appealed to organizations to implement adequate procedures to help such employees manage with the stress and anxiety during these service failure situations. Therefore, my research intends to study and answer the following questions. Number one, what role does coaching by sales manager play in such crisis situations or service failure situations? What qualities of sales managers as coaches are most effective in these service failure situations? How should sales managers coach different salespersons? Why should it change based on the different type or category of salespersons? And finally, what is the impact of sales coaching on salespersons' well-being and customer satisfaction? So how am I planning to answer these questions? I'm going to answer them in two phases. In the first phase, I plan to do in-depth study, in-depth interviews, one-on-one with senior sales professionals, thereby building some kind of a conceptual framework. And in phase two, I plan to test this framework by partnering with a B2B organization and do a survey-based study. So next time, when there is a customer complaint or a service failure situation that seems to cause a crack in either the relationship with the customer or in the well-being of salespersons, just like the way artisans in Japan repair broken pottery using gold, maybe, just maybe, coaching is that gold that guides, reflects, and supports salespersons, thereby probably creating something more beautiful and strong. Thank you.